So if we want to go to YouTube Recap, which is also known as YouTube Wrapped, but that's not the official term. The official term is YouTube Recap. What you have to do is you have to search for youtube.com/RECAP recap. So this is the actual link where it will take you to show the recap. So after you land on your YouTube page, it will show you this your YouTube recap is here. If you are not logged in, you have to log in, and then you can be redirected to your page or your channel, and then you will see this. This URL also works on your phone. So in your phone, if you just write YouTube recap, you will be able to see, and the app will open, and you will be able to see this the whole YouTube recap. It will show you all kinds of data, like what you actually explored, how, what are your core interests, what channel you watch more, these kinds of stuff. And it's rolling out slowly for every country. So if you not see this in your YouTube recap, just wait for a while. After I think 2 or 3 days, you will get the new update. And once you get the new update, you can actually see, and very interestingly, it shows you how what are your personality type is as well. So it's really fun. Mm,